Welcome, dear viewers, to yet another culinary journey filled with flavor and tradition. Today we're diving into the incredible world of cucumber pickling, a process that transforms humble cucumbers into the crunchy, tangy delights we all know and love as pickles. Our journey starts in vast, sunlit fields where the soil is rich and fertile, perfect for growing cucumbers. But this isn't just any farming. The cultivation of cucumbers destined for pickling requires special care, precision, and a touch of modern technology. Let's begin with the seeds. Small, seemingly insignificant, but full of potential. These seeds are planted with machines that calculate the perfect spacing and depth, ensuring that each plant has ample room to grow. The soil is then carefully tended using both traditional knowledge passed down through generations and modern irrigation systems that optimize water use. These systems keep the plants hydrated without overwatering, ensuring that the cucumbers grow firm and full. In the following days, they were carefully cared for, watered regularly like Swiss watches. The light and environment were also strictly controlled, so that the young plants grew up beautiful and healthy, like supermodels on the catwalk. The journey from seed to harvest is not a solo endeavor. Nature plays its part too, as bees and other pollinators flutter among the flowers, ensuring that every plant is given the best chance to bear fruit. With each visit, these pollinators transfer pollen from flower to flower, silently working their magic. When the cucumbers are ready, timing is crucial. These cucumbers must be picked at just the right moment, not too large, but not too small either. For the perfect pickle, you need cucumbers that are firm and about 3 to 5 inches long. As the first light of dawn breaks over the horizon, a soft, golden hue blankets the fields. The air is cool, crisp, and fresh, providing the perfect atmosphere for one of the most critical moments in the journey of the cucumber: the harvest. A team of dedicated farmers, some of whom have worked these lands for generations, stand ready. Their task is not just about collecting cucumbers, it's about precision, timing, and preserving the delicate balance of nature. They're not alone in this task. Specialized harvesting machines roll across the fields, plucking the cucumbers with mechanical arms designed to mimic human hands. The technology behind these machines is astonishing, ensuring that each cucumber is picked without damaging the delicate vines. As the days grow longer and the summer sun climbs higher into the sky, the transformation of the fields becomes more apparent. The once lush, green expanses that were teeming with life just days ago now begin to clear. Where rows of vibrant cucumbers once sprawled across the land, there are now only traces of the delicate vines that had nurtured them for weeks. Slowly but surely, the field empties as thousands of cucumbers, each one harvested at its prime, are collected and prepared for the next phase of their journey. These cucumbers, carefully picked to ensure the perfect balance of ripeness and firmness, are now loaded onto large trucks, massive vehicles designed to carry these precious crops safely from the farm to the factory. It's here, at this critical juncture, where the humble cucumber begins its transformation into one of the world's most beloved snacks: the crisp, tangy pickle. The journey may seem routine, but every detail has been meticulously planned. Time is of the essence. The cucumbers must arrive at the factory in optimal condition to preserve their natural crispness, a key factor that will determine the quality of the pickles they will soon become. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the cucumbers are unloaded with precision and care. The process moves swiftly. From the moment they are taken off the trucks, the cucumbers enter a well-organized system where cleanliness, speed, and quality control are paramount. Every step is closely monitored by experienced workers who ensure that only the best cucumbers make it through the inspection. It's here that the cucumbers, still bearing the freshness of the field, are washed and sorted according to size and quality, preparing them for the brining process that will give them their distinct, irresistible flavor. The factory, a bustling hub of activity, is equipped with modern technology designed to handle the high volume of cucumbers brought in during peak harvest season. These advanced systems allow the cucumbers to be processed efficiently while ensuring that each one maintains its integrity. From the washing stations to the brining tanks, every stage of the journey is optimized to preserve the cucumber's crunch and flavor. Soon, the cucumbers will undergo the centuries-old tradition of pickling, where they will be submerged in a special brine, a carefully guarded mixture of vinegar, salt, and spices that will transform these simple vegetables into tangy, flavorful pickles that are loved by millions around the world. And thus, from the sun-kissed fields to the high-tech factory, the journey of the cucumber continues. Each stage of the process, from harvest to transport to production, is a testament to the care and attention required to produce the perfect pickle, a timeless food that carries with it the essence of the farm and the hands that nurtured it. Once the cucumbers have transformed into pickles, they're sealed into jars. The sealing process is just as important as the pickling itself. Each jar is vacuum sealed to preserve freshness, ensuring that the pickles stay crisp for months or even years. But before these pickles can make their way to your kitchen, they must undergo quality control. Workers inspect each jar, ensuring that every pickle is of the highest quality. Only then are they labeled and packed into boxes for shipping. But the journey doesn't end here. Not all cucumbers share the same fate, especially the smaller ones. After the initial sorting process, those cucumbers that fall below a certain size are set aside. These smaller cucumbers, though modest in size, possess a crispness that makes them perfect for whole pickle production, a prized delicacy loved by pickle enthusiasts around the globe. Once sorted, the smaller cucumbers begin their own unique journey. They are carefully moved to a specialized area within the factory, where they undergo a thorough washing process. Here, jets of water gently cleanse them, ensuring that any traces of soil or debris from the field are completely removed. This step is crucial, as cleanliness is paramount for the next stage of their transformation. Next, they are placed whole in jars filled with a carefully prepared brine. This brine, a unique blend of vinegar, salt, and spices, is designed to draw out just the right amount of moisture from the cucumbers while imparting a rich, tart flavor. As they sit in the brine, the cucumbers slowly absorb the rich flavor, transforming over time into the flavorful whole pickles that many people love. And now, dear viewers, we arrive at the most exciting part of the journey, enjoying the fruits of all this labor. Imagine this. You open a fresh jar of pickles. As you twist the lid, you hear that satisfying pop, and the aroma of vinegar and spices hits your nose. You take a cucumber out, feel its firm texture between your fingers, and take a bite. The crunch is perfect. The flavor? Tangy, slightly salty, with just a hint of sweetness from the cucumber itself. Every bite is a testament to the meticulous care and attention that went into growing, harvesting, and pickling these cucumbers. Whether you're eating them straight from the jar or adding them to a sandwich or salad, pickles are a beloved addition to countless dishes around the world. And now, after following their journey from seed to jar, you know exactly why.